This is Chris Elliott with Remax Action Real Estate coming to you with your October Richmond real estate market update. So as we always do, want to look at some statistics. If we look at August compared to September, we're looking at September's numbers because we don't have October's numbers yet. Closed pending and new listings are down from August to September. So just like I've been telling you guys for the last couple months, we're seeing that tapering off of the market, which will continue to happen until December, and then January, February it starts to ramp back up. But that's just the natural progression of our market every single year. Median days on the market is also went from 12 to 14 days, so homes are taking just a little bit longer on average to sell. Median days on market and the month supply of inventory are all down from last year. So what that means is that the market is slowing down a little bit, but it's still a stronger market than it was last year as far as home sales go. So what does this mean for you? If you're a seller and you're either on the market or looking to go on the market here in the near future, understand that we are approximately 30 days away from Thanksgiving. So Thanksgiving is always that mark where the market definitely slows down. Thanksgiving to, let's call it, the new year. Homes still sell during this time, but just realize that it is a slower market. So you've got to be a little bit more on point with your pricing. Now is not the time to be ambitious on price unless you can afford to keep the property through the remainder of the winter. As far as price points go, I would say $150,000 to $300,000 price point, those homes are a little more evergreen, meaning that those homes still continue to sell well throughout the year. A lot of homes north of 300, especially north of 500, those are the homes that will definitely see the biggest impact of the season of the market. If you're thinking about selling next year, now is a great time to engage a real estate professional. If you're in my market, feel free to contact me to start prepping your home for what you need to do to hit the market. So whether that's upgrades, whether that's repairs, whether that's improvements, really just get that idea. And I always tell people, bring a real estate professional in as early as you can, because you may have ideas of what you think you need to do to prep for market, and they may not be necessary, or there might be things that you're not even thinking of that you might not think are relevant, but that a good, quality, competent real estate professional can tell you, hey, yes, we absolutely want to address this because it's going to become an issue with today's buyers, or if you do said improvement, it'll net you more money on the sale. If you're a buyer, if you're out there buying a home right now, just realize it's a great opportunity to be buying a home. Inventory is lower, but you're not competing with as many buyers as you would in the spring and in the summer months as we saw this past year. And just realize that there's still time to get in something between now and Christmas. There's approximately, let's call it 75 days before the end of the year. So you still have that opportunity to get into a home, the home of your dreams, before Christmas this year. Just like if you're selling, if you're looking at making a purchase next year, you're thinking about making a move, or maybe you're buying that first time home, now is a phenomenal time to, once again, engage with a real estate professional. Just get your ducks in order, let them show you what it's going to look like to buy a home, so that way you know what to expect when the process comes and you don't get caught flat-footed in January. And you may just find the home of your dreams between now and the end of the year. So I hope that helps, guys. I look forward to seeing you next month.